No, you are banned from my vlog.
とってもいいような夜だけどどよめききらめきと君もとってもいいような
Hey guys, so tomorrow I was planning to go to Bangalore. To my college to get all my paperwork done and finally register myself as the doctor. You see the tiny gremlin jumping up and down over there? That's your girl, Tesi. And the plan here is to hop on a train from Kozhikode and go straight to my college, collect all my documents, hop on a bus this time, and then go to Bangalore, meet up with my bestie, and then finally get our medical license. Hooray! And after all that, say goodbye to him, hop on another bus, and come straight home. So simple.
It is time.
Sounded good, didn't it?
Very good.
Yeah, it's good. I like that.
Yeah, see you tomorrow before I leave. Bye. So, Gigabrain me got off at the wrong platform and now I'm lost at this creepy in-between place. It's giving haunted. I had to ask the only two other strangers who are here for directions. Wait, did I say I got lost?
I'm not lost. See, platform 4. I knew exactly where I was going. I was never lost to begin with.
So it's currently 7 a.m. and our office won't open until 10. So our goal for now is to waste as much time as possible. I'll first go to the waiting room at station and freshen up there and we'll figure out from there. I can't believe I'm back here. I wasted almost an hour at the waiting room, but then I got bored. So I decided to take the bus since I'm currently jobless and broke AF. And also, it's the best way to waste more time. And it was filled to the brim with school kids. Memories. Not this random lady giving me the stink eye. I mean, I would too. And I finally got a seat when my stop was almost near. Not me shamelessly having my second cup of tea within the last 30 minutes. We are almost there. We spent almost a week running after our professors to get this book signed so that we can officially leave this college, only to have it gather dust bunnies in this corner. That's college life for you. Work here is all done. That was easy. And now for the hard part, I have to go to Bangalore for the rest of the work and my bus leaves at 7:30. Which means I have more time to kill now, alone. So I went ahead and asked my juniors if I could crash at their room. Wolverine. And they were so sweet and let me crash. Now I can freshen up and take a nap and catch up with all the hot tea and so on and so forth. So here I am going to their room, technically unannounced. I've been running around all day and now that I'm all freshened up, I don't feel like a hot sweaty mess anymore. Initially, my plan was to walk to the boarding spot, but I ended up taking an auto because my Zomato guy got lost in his way and I ended up wasting a lot of time waiting for him. I was so mad. But in the end, it turned out to be a blessing because the spot on the app where I was planning to walk to was wrong and the auto guy knew the correct location. So, in a way, Lord and that Zomato guy saved me from missing my bus. Good thing I didn't scream at him for making me wait.
Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
I'll walk in front.
No, you are banned from my vlog. I told you to get off at one stop. Where did you go and get off?
The bus decides where I get off, okay?
I'm mad at you. Owe me sushi.
Okay, yes, I told you.
Let's step on.
The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
Like a foreign tourist.
Yeah, you are.
Trevor, you're a blob.
Oh damn. It's for me, no?
Yeah, it's for you. iPhones are all like
This is like a mini tablet, right? Tiniest masala dosa I have ever seen. It's a triangle dosa.
She has ADHD.
I don't have ADHD.
Yes, you do.
I don't have ADHD.
Yes, you do.
You're not qualified enough to diagnose me that. So what I was saying, hey look, there's a butterfly. I could.
Oh, I can't possibly do this. Share with me. I'll take it.
Bazinga is the war cry of Sheldon.
The restaurant we are planning to go is all the way up there. Let's find a way. And here we are. Damn, it looks authentic. Let's see how the food here is. Chicken katsu.
침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 네 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 조금만 더 누웠길 바래 조금만 이제는 어디까지 보다
We were walking past this big store dedicated just for pets and saw the doggos. So of course we came in here just to pet the doggos. Now we are feeling extremely awkward to walk out immediately. So we are pretending like we want to buy something.
I have a dog. I have a dog. Come here.
We accidentally bumped into a bougie mall and we didn't know, and the only thing we can afford here is this ice cream. Trying to waste time.
Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state.
You want cheesecake?
Yeah.
We want cheesecake and chicken paneer. New York cheesecake and chicken paneer is tandoori chicken. With subtitles.
Check.
I didn't ask you to sign, okay? Who do you think you are? Signing and going. Write something here only. Right there only. Huh? It's not your exam paper. Stop hiding it.
Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
And that's it, guys. Thank you all for staying with me till the end of this journey. You all are the real ones. Don't forget the usual like, share, comment, and subscribe. We are almost at 1K, and I'm so grateful to all those who have subbed, even though I post like once every 2 to 3 months. See you guys next time, and keep dreaming. Bye.